Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix CS2 packet loss problem. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. Our first solution consists of three small steps. The first step is to change the internet packet priority. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select device manager. Expand the network adapter section and right click on the network adapter you are using it and select properties. Select advanced tab. In here you just need to search for priority VLAN. You just need to click on it. On right side click on this drop down and select priority VLAN enabled and select OK for save changes. Now you just need to close it off here. We completed the first step. The second step is to reset our internet using CMD. Since the problem is related to our internet, we need to do this. To do so, you just need to go to search menu and type CMD and select run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. You just need to copy it one by one, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in, press enter. This code will not harm our computer guys. You just need to paste it one by one. After this step we need to restart our computer guys, but we will do that after the third step. The third step is to reset our internet from Windows settings. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select reset now and select yes guys. After doing that, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. If we don't, it will automatically shut down in 5 minutes guys. After restarting your PC, you can open CS2 and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to create a port for CS2. You just need to open up a browser and search for CS2 Steam ports. Comes up port forward website. Click on open it. You just need to scroll down. As you can see, you can able to see the ports over here. Now we are going to add these ports to our computer. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Defender. You just need to open up Windows Defender firewall. Click on open it. On left side select advanced settings. In here on left side select inbound roles. On right side select a new role. Select port and select next. Select TCP. You just need to check my video description for this TCP code. Copy it and you just need to paste in here and select next. Next. Name this port as CS2 TCP port. Click on finish for saving it. Now you just need to select a new rule again and select port and select next. Select UDP and you just need to copy the UDP port and paste in here. Select next and name this port as CS2 space UDP space port. This way it will be easy to find when we want to delete it. Select finish. This is our second solution guys. If you want to delete the ports, you just need to right click on the ports and select delete it guys. We have added ports guys. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.